How to fix your connection is not private on Google Chrome. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can easily fix the error message where it says your connection is not private. Let's get started. So if that happens to you, what you want to do is go to over to the top right corner on the three dots and then find settings menu from down below. Once you are on your settings, all you have to do here is find the privacy and security tab at the left side of your screen. Then from there you can find all of these other options. From this, go to the security tab from here and you'll find different options. On the safe browsing, I have selected enhanced protection and then you'll find the secure connections option as well. So what you want to do is you want to move this to the standard protection. So just click on this. After that, you'll find the secure connections option. Go ahead and turn this one off and it should pretty much do the job. If you're still facing the issue, then in that case, what you need to do is instead of HTTPS uh, on your URL, you just type in HTTP without the S, which means the secure connection. You can just do this and go to this particular website or whichever website you're trying to go to. It should load up your entire web page without showing you the error. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.